What's up, everyone? We got a nice little thing here. We got a box, right? Have you seen this box?
I have not seen this box.
No, you haven't.
I have seen this box then.
Yeah, we took a peek through the box already because we wanted to see everything there. But it's an interesting box. It's from Spikey Bits. I saw this on an ad on Facebook. They give you a mystery box. They have 3 different tiers. I went with the mid tier, the $100 tier, which they said is about $145 to $165 in value. And then your first box, you're supposed to get an extra $20 free. All right. Now, this isn't blind, so I already know. Like my expectations are like, I think it was. I'm indifferent, but we'll see. You'll see what I mean. All right, Brandon. When you opened it, what did you think?
I honestly expected more.
Same. For $100, they're promising 165, but there are certain things, right? So let's go through this.
That one.
This one right here is an e-competitive tournament builder, right? You know, it's not opened. You can do the opening.
Oh, thank you.
Well, I kind of get everything else ready.
So do a really either good or bad unboxing here.
Don't worry about it.
I feel like a kid on Christmas.
See, this isn't bad.
No, these are cool.
Like I could paint these and do the thing, and this would be really cool to do at-home battles. And they stack apparently. No, yeah, they do stack. Yeah, these are cool. All right, you could just set it out like this. Look at the price on it.
$25.
So this is their value at $25. It's $25 right there. They stack like this. E-competitive tournament builder. This isn't bad. $25 for this. Not horrible. Maybe this counts as a mini. We're gonna put that over to the side. So essentially, out of our $165 value, let's go to the high end. Out of the $165 value, 25 of that goes to these. Not bad. I'm indifferent to this. Now, and the next thing. Now we don't have to open this up. Look at that.
This one. These are some Space Marine. These are heavy intercessors.
Yep. I don't have a set of heavy intercessors yet.
65. I think that's not bad. Yeah, this is bad.
This is not bad. 65 value for this is actually pretty on site.
Yeah, I think it's good.
I mean, you could probably get some of these for maybe 57 at the lowest, but let's not even talk about bargaining. I'd say in a box, this is expected. This is something where I'm actually quite happy to get that. So this plus the last one, we're sitting about $90, right?
I think my custodians were about this much.
Yeah, exactly. Like this is kind of expected. This is kind of cool to get from that because I wasn't thinking about this last time I went to the game store finding these. Sometimes you might not even find these. This is a nice catch. The box is looking a bit better after these, right? This is it though.
This is the peak.
Yeah. This is a $35 wet palette. It comes with pads, and I think it comes with paper, and we could actually open this.
Yeah, I'll understand.
Yeah, let's open that one. The wet palette, $35. Now we're sitting about $125 out of the $165 value. This is all right. This is another one that I'm more indifferent to this than I am to these. I can be happy about these. This one I can be a bit. Yeah, hydration sponge. Yeah, the sponges. It comes with
the sponge is actually kind of nice.
Yeah, I have. This is a good sponge too. This is actually a good wet palette. Very good wet palette. Although I just bought a new wet palette, so for me this is like different. This is Game Envy. You know, Game Envy makes some good stuff. Not gonna bash Game Envy here. I think this is a good wet palette. Why am I indifferent to this? Is because I was kind of expecting some miniature stuff.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, and you have little wells.
Yes,
like this is actually a good one. I think I saw this on Ninja. These aren't bad. You know, a little spot here, really cool. This isn't a bad wet palette.
No,
you can be happy about this. But you know how much I bought my wet palette for off Amazon?
$10.
No, I got it from like Green Envy or Green something Games. Yeah, $10, and it's about the same size.
35, which
I mean, I'll look on Amazon. And Game Envy is good. I actually think this is not a bad wet palette. Just telling you right there, that is where it stops. Right here, I can be happy with that. If I got like a $60 or an $80 box, I could be very happy with this.
Yeah.
Let's add on the $20 though, or maybe this would be for an $80 box. This is like pushing it, but it's still like I could get another box.
Yeah.
But this is an $100 box. $100 box. Let's not. They also include a free gift for new ones, and we're gonna do the free gift last because let's just measure the $100 box how it is by itself. So here's the last piece. $20 in brushes, and they're synthetic. They're Game Envy brushes. I mean, I'm sure these are good brushes. I mean, I'm gonna test them out. I say I'm gonna test them out. I probably would only test out the mini dry brush the most. The rest of these, I mean, there's a 2, but it's not a 2 that I kind of like. You test that out. That's a 2. And this is a little dry brush, a small mini dry. Ooh, that's good. I like this. Let's see. This is a 00, so this is a small detail. For synthetic, these are very expensive synthetic brushes, by the way. $20. You could get a very good Kolinsky Sable brush for $8 off Amazon, maybe 12, but it's like worth the money if you do a lot of the painting. And you get one brush like maybe this size, but it's like from a reputable brand. And I say reputable, Game Envy is a very reputable brand, but it's not. It wouldn't be synthetic. You'd be getting like horse hair, hog hair, something that really will hold a lot longer. Synthetic's just as good as any brush, but it just doesn't last as long. I think it's going to be a hard bargain to say these are worth $20. By itself, that's about $7 a brush. But that's kind of where the value ends. If you don't put in the new subscriber thing for their box, this is where it is. Like, this is the type of box you'll get next month, I think. And I mean, if I got the same box next month, I would be a bit peeved if I got another wet palette, because I'm still subscribed to it. I'm going to give it one more month to see what they give me again. Just off of this, we got to rate it. If you get this here, I mean, it's not horrible. It's not making me say this is horrible. It's making me be like indifferent. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
Without the extras, though, I would say a 6 out of 10. I think what's really carrying this box for me is the heavy intercessors. I honestly think these brushes dwindle it down for me a bit. They feel good. They are good. Everyone has their own sets of brushes, you know. But I wasn't really looking for Game Envy brushes. I'm sure they're good. Game Envy is an exemplar place. But, you know, I don't want to pay $20 for a set of synthetic brushes.
I'm gonna actually go ahead. I'm gonna say the same, 6 out of 10, but I'm gonna put an asterisk on it until we test the quality of these brushes. Maybe
the brushes are
good, then I think that asterisk could.
But you don't paint that much.
I don't paint that much.
So my thing is, it's gonna stay static for a 6 out of 10 because I don't want to pay. Like, this is essentially paying $20 for a set of synthetic brushes.
That's just
so these have to be some of the best synthetic brushes ever for me to say, yes, these are great.
I mean, they could be.
They're Kolinsky Sable. They're saying that's the way to go when it comes to brushes. Now, this is what they gave us for free. This is probably really good. The reason why I say gave us for free is because there's a little sticker that says free gift because it's a new subscription box. Totally fine. Actually, I think this is, if you would have replaced this with the brushes, this thing becomes a 7 if the brushes aren't there for me. This makes sense. I mean, I just got a handle. Game Envy. I just got a handle, and this will fit the handle perfectly. It's got a little loop. Oh. And this is like a rest, right? So you put your hand here to paint. But the thing is, well, I'm left-handed.
I was gonna say, is that for left-handed or right-handed?
I think it's ambidextrous. I don't think it matters. I've never had a handle that uses these things on the side. I've seen these around. I haven't tried it yet. Comes with some cork, which is a good thing. We want cork. We like cork. Then I'll probably test this out too. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. See, this is good. This is like I said, if this comes like how it is, no brushes, 7 out of 10. But we need to rate it without the free gift because the free gift's for new subscribers.
That's what and I think this is very much aimed at newer people as well?
Let's see if we can take this out. I don't think so. I don't know if a lot of
I
people
would say because
that aren't in the hobby are going to get $100 hobby box aimed at Warhammer, because it does let you pick what things you want. I put Warhammer 40K, Space Marines, Chaos Space Marines, and yeah, I was feeling adventurous, so I also clicked the Age of Sigmar stuff. So like part of me was expecting a way to be more adventurous in the things that I paint. But instead, I got a box of Space Marines and some terrain and some hobby tools. Not a bad thing. Hobby tools are not horrible. I'm gonna keep on doing this for like another month. We're gonna see what next month comes in. I'm thinking it's gonna be pretty all right, and we're gonna also put in the update of like how these things turned out, and if some things were better than they were, we could rate it up. I mean, this is another try. You know, we're giving him a second try.
Let's give him a giant asterisk. Let's leave it at the giant asterisk.
But I would say if you're interested in getting this, it's not bad. I'm not going to tell anyone to not do it. I don't think it's that to that degree. I think for my expectations, I was expecting something different. Maybe I should have tempered them down a bit. But it's not horrible. I think if you get this, you're not getting scammed. But for me, 6 out of 10. Maybe next month's box will be a 10 out of 10. Who knows? If it's a 10 out of 10 next month, dude, I'm gonna just keep on rolling. If next month's box is amazing, we're gonna be pretty damn good. You know, I think we'll be pretty happy. Yeah,
I can agree with that.